Hotel sa Baguio na spacious? Check. May full kitchen? Check na check. May breakfast buffet by Kuya J Restaurant? Triple check. Hi guys! We recently stayed at Azalea Hotel and Residences in Baguio and I swear it was a breather I didn't know I needed. Binook namin yung 2-bedroom apartment nila and what stood out to me the most was how spacious and homey it felt. It comes with a full kitchen complete with cookware and utensils plus a living and dining area. Meron ding 2 bathrooms. Convenient if you are traveling as a group. The property also has a kids play area, may ATM, may bilihan na ng pasalubong and a breakfast buffet by Kuya J Restaurant na winner ang food selection. Iba-iba yung siniserve nila during our stay. Location-wise, short drive lang siya from Burnham Park, Session Road, Mines View, and Camp John Hay. Marami ring restaurants within the area. Pero ang pinaka-highlight ng stay ay ang very accommodating staff. The moment we were handed a strawberry shake and a warm towel, we already felt the warmth of Baguio hospitality. By the way, for as low as 2,600 pesos per night, you can book a superior hotel room. Please visit azaleabaguio.com for the best rates and exclusive deals.